Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to hard reset the Nokia 105. Now to do this, you want to be on the home screen here, and you want to press *#737#, and it'll say erase and restore factory settings, and you want to press the middle button to continue, and this will delete everything off the Nokia 105 back to factory settings. You will wipe all your contacts off and everything else, all your messages and etc. So make sure this is something you want to do. So we press the middle button, it'll automatically turn off like that, and it'll erase everything in the background and then turn back on, and at this stage you'll need to enter your language and set back up the Nokia 105 as you bought it when it came out of the factory. So that's how to hard reset the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.